Welcome back everyone. Today I will show you how to access Qwen 3.6 727 billion AI for free. We will access the API for this model and we will use it for free. As you can see, the pricing is zero for this model and the pricing per other model is listed, but this model is free on this website that I will show you today, and we will access the API key and use it through open code or kilo code or client. So you can use any agent to access and use this Qwen 3.6 27 billion AI model for free. So Qwen is one of the best open source model from Alibaba company. So let's get started. Okay, to access this and use it, how to configure and how to integrate it inside Kilo or open code. So first of all, let's search for aiend.com website. aiend. So open this website. As you can see, this is the user interface of this website. Run AI, deploy anything. So let's start. Okay, if you come down as I showed at the start, there is a free model that we can access. Come here to the inference, and here we have the list of the models. Look at Qwen 3.6 27 billion 0.0 per input and output token. So let's run this inference. Okay, we will just get started. Okay, we will move to the dashboard, console.ai.end, and it's required to create our account. So let's continue with Google or continue with GitHub or use your email. I will continue with my Google account. Let's verify my phone number. So I have created my account. Let's my name and here billing country. That's it. Continue. And what best describes you? Individual developer. Continue. And what will you use AI and for? Chat, bot, content generation, code generation. Continue. What matters most for you? Low latency, easy integration. Continue. You are all set. Welcome to AI and continue to home. So now we will move to the dashboard and create our API key to access this free AI. So simply just come here, look at very easy integration and come here to the API key. We can create our API key and use the models. So let's move to the background and here we can directly chat with it, and here just come here to the temperature, max tokens, medium, that's it. Here you can select, look at Qwen 3.6 27 billion is free. So let's come to the API key and we will create our first API key, Qwen testing. So create that. Important, save your key now. So let's copy this and save somewhere. I have saved my key. I will store key somewhere. So after storing your key, come here now to the documentation to read documentation. So this is the base URL, as you can see. So we will copy this base URL and use this for calling Qwen 3.6 model for free. So we will use an agent for this. We can use open code, kilo code, client, or any other assistant to contact and call this API to chat with Qwen 3.6. So I will open VS Code editor because I have already installed kilo code inside VS Code, or we can use the open code desktop or CLI tool also. So I have installed a kilo code. As you can see the icon, let's open kilo code. So this is the kilo code, that's it. Let's open the setting. Just come here, we will just find the setting, just a second. And simply come here now to the providers. Okay, let's come here to the providers. And here you will find all the popular providers, but we will click on this custom provider. So simply let's press this custom button and here the provider ID, which is aiend. aiend. This is display name. And the provider API Open AI compatible. Yes, we will select this one, Open AI compatible. And base URL, so come here for the base URL, we will copy this, paste it here. For the API key, I have already stored that. Let's copy this and paste it here. That's it. Now come here to the models. Okay, look at, by default the model has been refreshed. These are DeepSeek, and we have Qwen 3.6 also. So as Qwen 3.6 is free model, so I will just leave that one, or we can leave with GLM 5.2 also. Add these two models. Okay, those two model has been added. So after adding them, now let's press submit button. You can use open code also, client also, to use the API key. So that's it. We have done now. Now let's open back kilo code. Let's open kilo code back, and we will select now our model. Just come here to the models, and here we will find our model like AI, and this is our provider, and we will select Qwen 3.6 27 billion, this one. So let's select this. Yeah, that has been selected. Now let's start chatting with this Qwen 3.6. Like here you can change from code, ask, debug, architecture, or plan. So simply let's ask, hello. Simple. I have just query, my query is hello. So let's check now the response of this Qwen 3.6 model. Yeah, hello, I am Kilo, your technical assistant. I'm here to help you with question about code, software development, technology concept, and everything. That's it. Now, if we come to the, let's come here to the code. Yeah, write C++ function. That's it. So it will now write the code of C++. Look at, so what should do the function do? So this is the structure, and everything has been called. Okay, you can call the function like this, and this is the function binary search. So that's it. So we can use this Qwen 3.6 model for free, and we can call and use their API key. Just come here back and come to the analytics. So look at total request 3. We had 3 requests, and average tokens 10.6, total input token, and total output. So that's it. Okay, you average time to first token and average E to E latency. So this is all about to use the free Qwen 3.6 model through AI and website. So if the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment to promote my video. It will help me to make more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.